Stop. Before you do another pull-up, you need to hear this. Because if your pull-up form is wrong, it's not just bad technique, it's a slow injury waiting to happen. And the scary part? Most people don't even realize they're doing it wrong. They think they're getting stronger, but their shoulders are taking the damage, their elbows are screaming, and their back isn't even working. So today, you're going to learn exactly how to fix your pull-up form, step by step, so the pull-up builds your body instead of breaking it. And trust me, this is not the advice you hear everywhere. Let's fix your pull-up before it fixes you. By the end of this video, you'll know the real correct pull-up form most people miss, how to activate your back instead of just pulling with arms, the step-by-step perfect pull-up checklist, the biggest mistakes destroying your shoulders, and how to instantly feel stronger on the bar. Let's start with the truth. Step 1. The pull-up is not an arm exercise. First, understand this. A pull-up is not about your biceps. Yes, your arms help, but the main purpose is your back, your lats, your scapula, your upper body control. If your arms burn first every time, that's a sign your form is wrong, because the pull-up is supposed to look like this. Your back pulls, your arms assist, your body stays tight. So before you even move, you need to fix the foundation. So listen, the pull-up is one of the best exercises on earth, but only if you do it right. Because bad pull-ups don't build strength, they build injuries. So before you chase more reps, fix your form, own the basics, and your body will thank you.